Hi guys, my name is Krishna. Welcome to Angular tutorial. Today I'm going to explain some brief about Visual Studio Code and how it is downloaded. Okay, this is some basic points about the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a open source software tool which is developed by the Microsoft company, which is used for developing the Angular applications. So next step is how to download the Visual Studio Code. This is the URL to download the Visual Studio Code. Just copy this. I will share you in the chat box. Just open browser and paste it in toolbar and enter. It will navigate to Microsoft website. There will find a number of different versions of Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Okay, so first one for Windows, second one for Ubuntu, and the third one for Mac. First one, so download is based on purely which operating system device you are using. So you are using the Windows operating system, download it. You are using the Ubuntu operating system, download the this one. You are using the Mac operating system, using just download it. Okay. So currently I'm using the Windows operating system. That's why I'm downloading for. I'm clicking here. Okay. Look there. It started download. Click on Control J. You can find it. So it's downloading. See here, it's downloaded. Just right click on this file, show in folder, right clicking, right click on this file, just click on run as administrator. Yeah, I'm already downloaded this one. It's already available in my system. Okay, I will show you. So no need to select any customized options while downloading this software. Okay, just click on next, next, next. Then it is automatically installed in your system. Okay, just for the verification, the software is downloaded or not. Just go to the search bar here. Just type VS Code. You will find this Visual Studio Code template like this. It means the software is downloaded or installed in your local system. Okay. For the how to open this, right click on this one, run as administrator. It will launch the Visual Studio Code. Click on yes. If you open this page, means I downloaded the Visual Studio Code and successfully installed in my machine. That's it. That's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like. Thank you guys. We will see in further videos. Thank you. Bye bye.